It's going to be matted. So even if I put this condition, it might not be so strong. So I'm going to be using this. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Yes, my hair is cray. I know, darlings, I know my hair is crazy. So today we are going to be taking down my braids. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I've been on mini braids challenge for over 10 months now, so I'm going to be taking down my braids and showing you guys how I take down the braid, because I see there's a lot of growth and I feel there will be tangle, so I'm just going to be gently taking it down with you all. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you have not subscribed, kindly hit on the subscribe button, like, share and comment. If you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. Okay, if you're suffering from hair loss, thin edges, whatever you're suffering from, check out any of my recipe. Is definitely going to help you out, because I did suffer from a lot of thin hairlines, and my hair is doing so well right now as of today. Okay, so let's get started. Clear out, guys, is that I have already started losing my hair. All right, so from the back, you can see from the back I've lost this side already, because I started losing this hair I think 3 days ago, thereabout. Before today is 12th. Yeah, another thing, today is 12th of May, so I started this challenge 2 months back. That is 12th of March, April, May. Yeah, March. Yeah, so that's when I did a new braid. I'm going to be inserting the picture right here. So today is 12th of May and it's time for us to lose down the hair. Yeah, so I started losing this one already because I noticed the hair was becoming so rough. Okay, and I started losing it. It was almost 12th of May, so I was like, what the heck, let me start losing it. So this is my hair. I'm going to lose. So this is the hair. You can see there is, when I say a lot, I mean a lot. Like, this is growth. Okay, so there's a lot of growth and it's time to bring them down. So I was losing it section by section, because I know if I lose it on the day I want to lose it, I am going to sleep here. So if I lose, I twist back and I tuck it back in. So I know that if I want to lose it today, it's going to be a very long thing for me. So I started losing it 3 days back. I'll be losing section by section, and this is the last section I need to lose. So for what I spray on my hair before I lose it, so I'm going to be using this. Yes, I know it's my hair tea. Yes, instead of using water, let me just finish it. Instead of using water, let me finish it. I'm going to use this as my water base. Then I'll be using condition. Okay, I'll be using condition because I know there's a lot of tangle and we need condition. I would have used okra gel to lose it, but I don't have okra gel right now. So maybe what I'll just do is to use flaxseed after I have lost it, like maybe a pre-poo, or maybe it's going to be my deep condition, but I don't know yet. But right now we're going to be losing my hair first. Then I'm also going to be using another ingredient which I'll show you guys. So I'm also going to be using toothpick just to loosen the mouth. Then this one, this is a conditioning and detangler. Okay, I'm going to be using this only on the tip, like here. No, here is going to be matted. So even if I put this condition, it might not be so strong. So I'm going to be using this one just to unmat this place, because I know here is going to be matted. But anyway, that's how I am going to be doing losing my hair. And I'm also going to, as I'm losing it, I'm going to be benching on something so that, you know, it keeps me distracted. All right, besties, let's get started. in case you guys see me looking like this, I have a mirror above this my phone, so I have a mirror above. That is what I'm using to see myself here. When I body lose this one, go back. So somebody asked me, don't I use other products? As you can see, I'm using other products. Sometimes I may not have my natural product at hand, then I will just use this company product to detangle or to treat my hair. Let's start with these ones. I do them small so that I don't rush. This is 3 here. This one I've used this one for a very long time, like over long they do herself. Over long is doing it. I've used this one for very long, so I'm just going to start to lose this one. This thing is very technical, because at the end of the mouth of this stuff they twisted the mouth, so you have to be careful to unravel the twist. If not, you get, I don't know if you guys can see what I am saying. So what I do is I go back, I look for where the knot is, and I try to remove it. Oh gosh, this is very tricky. So I don't remove this knot. I'll remove it. If I don't remove this knot, that is how all the whole hair I want to lose now is going to be tied with it. So I need to make sure that this ending part is free. Sorry guys that my eyes is like this. I need to see what I am doing with. This is why I don't sometimes do video when I'm losing my hair, because they take time. Alright, so she is not free. See, now I can go with my picking comb to pick it gradually, small, and use hand and dismantle, making sure there is no knots. So I'm going to be repeating all this. When I get to this place, I'll show you guys. So I've gotten to this part. I can see it in your eyes. You want me on it now. I keep on using my hand though. See here. Oh gosh, I don't know if you guys are seeing me, but here, this place is kind of matted, I mean to say. So I'm going to use that stuff. Apply more and carefully unmat it. See, I have carefully unmatted it. Then I leave one side and focus on one side and carefully unmat it again. So this is one. Second side for me to carefully unmat. Just be unmatting it small, because our retention will be fine. We don't want to be pulling our hair to resort to breakage again. So when you are doing this thing, I have to do it carefully. If not, all your hard work has gone down the drain. So I go back with my fingers and keep on using my finger, making sure that there is no place that is matted again. Anywhere my hand hook, I will, like now, see my hand have hook here. I'll carefully go there and look for what is happening, what's going on. Why are you hooking? Then I unhook. That's what I do. So after going back and front from that part of the hair, this is another one I have. So in total, for one piece of hair, this is it. For one piece of hair. So I am going to be losing the rest of my hair, and I'll come back and show you guys. I'm going to twist this one now so it does not disturb me. Just twist it a little because I still need to do one more like this to add to this one. So I am done with this side. It's all finger detangle. Then I'll plait it back. So guys, I am done. Oh god, I'm sweating. I am done losing all my hair. I'm going to wash it off camera because the same shampoo I'll be using. Then for the deep condition, I will create a deep condition and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what my hair is like, a thick forest. So this is what my hair looks like. Oh, this is my hair. Yeah, this is my hair, guys. I've been losing this hair for 2 hours now. I started losing this hair around 10, and this is 1:18. So I am super tired. Like I've gone to do, because I cannot be sitting there for 2 hours. I've gone to do my juice. This is my smoothie. And came back and continued losing the hair. So just only this front, I lose it for 2 hours. Imagine if I was losing the entire hair. It's the whole day I've spent here. Thank God I was losing it little by the week. So for the hair loss I lost in taking down my braids, this is the hair loss I lost in taking down my braids. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section. Like, this hair is the hair loss I lost taking down my braids. You guys can see what I am showing you. Yeah, that's the hair loss I lost. Anyway, I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to be doing a, what do you call that, deep condition. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you going to join the mini braids challenge? Let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. This is my hair. My hair has never been like this, so like never. When I say never, I mean never. My hair has literally never been this healthy, this thick, okay, before. Like this thick like this before. My hair was very like, the hair was very scanty before, but it's now very healthy and I'm loving the feeling now. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.